Hello everyone. Hello everyone, welcome to the classes. So we are solving here December Cookoff 2021 challenge, and now our second problem is friends meetup. So let's read our problem statement. That is, chef and his friend is standing on the x-axis on point x1 and x2 respectively. Chef moves one step forward each second, and it is x1 plus 1 after first second, x1 plus 2 that after second. Okay, and where is his friend moves seconds 2 steps forward each second, that he moves to x2 plus 2 after first second and x2 plus 4 after second, and so on. You need to determine if chef will be able to meet his friend or not. You can assume that chef and his friend both keep on moving for a long indefinite of time, and also they can move simultaneously. Okay, so now let's understand what is the problem statement here written. So this is the problem statement. We'll consider this test cases here, 111771. Okay, so here we have 1 point. Suppose we have one. Suppose this is our axis, x-axis. This is our x-axis, and both are on 1. So the chef has to know. So in this test case, chef and his friend are on the same coordinate initially, so they have already met. Okay, so the another case will be 1 7. Okay, so now let's see 1 7. It is one of his the chef is on 1 and his friend is on 7. Friend is on 7, and he is moving with a speed of 2x, suppose, and this is moving with a speed of x. So this chef can never meet to his friend, so our output will be no. And in another test case, the friend is here and the chef is here, and chef is moving at speed of x and he's moving at speed of 2x, and when will equal, so here it is given that they will be meeting at x equals to 13 point, that they will meet at x equals to 13 point here. Okay, so we conclude that if our x1 equals to x2, then it is possible, yes. And if x1 is greater than or I should write is greater than x2, then it is possible, yes. As you can see here, the x1 is chef and x2 is friend. But if x2 is greater than x1, then it is not possible. When x2 is greater than x1, then it is not possible. So we'll write here code. So what are the input variables here? X1 and x2. So we'll take an input variable as int x1 and x2, and we'll take input. Okay, so we'll check that x1 equals to x2, then see out yes. And another case will be that x1 greater than equals to x2, so we will both x1 greater than x2, so we'll merge this both cases and write x1 greater than equals to x2, and we will print in this case yes, and else we will print no. Okay, so now let's take our input test case here and run the code. Okay, so we are getting as yes, no, yes, and yes, no is our output test case. Now let's submit our code. Okay, so our code is correct, and thank you everyone.